Hi everybody, I am Shida Teacher. Today we're gonna learn about wildlife care. Shita, what do you think about wildlife care? Oh, she just said no. Okay, that's fine. When I was young and I really got inspired by animals and other people can. This is like a place like you can learn about animals and different types of ones. Now, as you can see, I went to Legoland and it teaches children a lot about animals. Even as you can see, there's a Lego giraffe for some reason. And even AR technology itself can teach you about about wildlife animals. Wait, and this Xbox, there was a game that I played about on Xbox. It teaches me about animals in the zoo. So now, now we went to a place which is wet, called wetland, and there was some three birds flying and migrating to other places. Birds like to migrate, like when it's hot, like when it's getting cold in some place. So they try to migrate somewhere which is hot. Okay. Now we're gonna start the journey to the ocean. Now. Now, in an aquarium, you can see lots of sea creatures, and they give them specific types of food. So you cannot just give a fish a meat and it will grow fine. There has to be specific types of food. As you can see in the video, I am watching the fish, and yeah, the security came and told me I cannot stand there. Yeah. Okay, that was funny. Now let's go to safaris. That there is a place in UAE which is called Safari, I think. There were some crocodiles, and do not ride them. Please do not even come close to them. And lions and hippos. Now, now there and also people can try to help elephants and other animals by feeding them. And as you can see also in the video, you the elephants have I'm sad that they were in the cage, but the people which own the place had they made a very big space for it to move like freely, not like a small tiny space. And you can feed it also and tap on it like I did. Now let's go to the Antarctica. Wait, it's Antarctica. Antarctica. Now let's go to Antarctica. The coldness of the weathers. The everywhere is cold. Not very good at summertime. That there's a place where called Ski Dubai. It teaches you a lot about what like animals which live in Antarctica. They can also make you like touch a real penguin, as you can see in the video. Yeah, and you should really not look at it. I was throwing snowballs at people. Why was that good? Yeah, I think yeah. Then people, you can save endangered animals by like feeding them, saving them, and giving them a big space. Like also, when you find a deer in the wild and it's hiding, just leave it. Do not take it because it might be hiding because predators might like come and their mother is away getting food. And you can see I'm trying to save endangered animals like the polar bear and the reindeer. Now let's go to the scariest place of all, the jungles. There is a roadrunner. Wait, should, do roadrunners live in the jungle or do they live? Do they live in the desert? Wait, do they? Do they live in the jungle? She does not know anything at all. I was chasing a roadrunner, and I also saw a wolf and I sat on a Komodo dragon. Never do that, children. And it's also very dangerous, like to get close to a Komodo dragon is very dangerous. Like one bite, it's poison. It can literally just, even if it misses, and then you run away, it can get in and kill you, and then it can smell you and like, come and eat you. Yeah. So, sorry about the scariness. Then there are some special parrots. Some of them are endangered, and also birds like like and they should also have a big space for them to fly. Like you cannot just keep them into one cage. That's like torturing them. You need to give them a space like to go around. Yeah. And now we shall see the scariest one, the ferocious one, the white rare tiger. That tiger is one of the most dangerous tigers. Not dangerous, but rarest tigers in the world. It's also dangerous. So you should really not never come close to it. That's why, as you can see, they're putting it behind the glass, and I was standing right there. Like it's very rare to find a white tiger. Yeah, to see one. So now we are in the end of our video. Now, if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe with notifications. Now, peace out. Ow.